This video, let us learn about basics of computer networks. Basics of computer networks. The first thing, what is mean by computer networks? The computer networks is nothing but interconnection of computer. Computer network is nothing but interconnection of computers. One or two computers connected together with a physical or wireless medium. That is called computer networks. Interconnection of computer. The second thought, what is the need of computer networks, or what is the purpose of computer networks? The main aim or need or the purpose of computer network is nothing but sharing of resource. Sharing of resource. The data in one computer can share with the other computer. So this is computer 1, this is computer 2. These two computers are interconnected with the cable. So now the simple arrangement is a simple network, simple computer network. This simple arrangement is used to take a data from one first computer to the second computer, or else we can transfer the data from second computer to the first computer. So the purpose or need of the computer network is nothing but sharing of resources. What are the resources? The resource may be documents or text data or image data, video data, audio data, etc. These kind of data called it as resources. We can exchange from one computer to other computer in the computer networks. How we can form the computer network? What are the components required? So the computer network mainly having two major parts. Host, channel. Host is nothing but computer or end computer. Channel is nothing but medium. The medium between the computers. The medium may be either wireless or wire medium. If it is a wire medium, the cable, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optics or waveguides. These are maybe the wired channel or wired medium. Apart from this, some network elements is required. The basic networks elements are switches and routers. So in this video, what is the meaning of computer network? What is the purpose of computer network? What are the data can exchange in the computer networks? What are the basic components of the computer networks we studied? The next thing we can see in the another part.